Hi, this is Med from Educative Technology. Over the last few months, I've reviewed several AI tools to help teachers enhance their teaching and facilitate their workflow. In today's video, I have a selection of some of the best AI tools to help you with your lesson planning. All of these tools are simple and easy to use, and they will help you create some engaging lesson plans. So let's jump in and explore our collection. Okay, so our first tool in this collection is called Magic School. Magic Schools, as you can see here, when you log into your account in Magic School, on the left-hand side is where you'll find the different features this tool provides. You can see here, there is Magic Tools and Reina. Let's start with Reina. This is basically an AI chatbot that is like ChatGPT, but it's only for teachers and educators. You can use Reina to help you with your lesson plans. You can type in the topic of your lesson, or you can, if you have already created a lesson plan, you can upload it here as a document and ask Reina for feedback. You can also use the suggested questions here, or click on the action button for more features. For instance, to translate the output or to create questions, summarize text. There are different things you can use with Reina, and Reina does a great job providing you with help that you need in your lesson planning. The second main feature is the Magic Tools. This is basically a library of educational AI tools that you can use to do different teaching and instructional activities. These AI tools are organized into different categories. As you can see here, there is the AI tools for lesson planning, for content creation, for generating questions, for communication, and so on and so forth. Just go through the AI tools here, or use the filtering options here and pick the one you want. For instance, for lesson planning, can click on the category of planning and then choose one of the tools here. Let me choose this one here, lesson plan, just to give you an example of what these tools look like. And then here, for instance, this lesson plan AI tool allows you to generate a lesson plan within seconds. Simply choose the grade level and then type in your topic, or you can voice type it, or you can upload a document, and then here add your criteria, and down here you can add the standards you want your lesson plan to be aligned to, and click on generate, and your lesson plan will be generated within seconds. So that's basically what Magic School offers. Very powerful AI tools to help you with your lesson planning. Okay, so the second AI lesson planner I recommend for you is called EdAid. So when you log into your EdAid, on the left-hand side is where you will see the different features it provides. Let me start with the first one. It's called Generator. In Generator, you will have access to a collection of AI tools that will help you generate different teaching materials. These AI tools are organized into different categories like questions, gamification, cooperative learning, and so on and so forth. For instance, if you click on the planning tools here, you will have access to AI tools to help you with generating lesson plans. Simply click on the one you want. For instance, lesson seed. Let's click on it. When you click on a tool, it becomes highlighted in blue. As it's highlighted, you go down here and type in the topic of your lesson. Let's say I want a lesson plan on World War II. And then what EdAid offers here, which the other tools don't offer, is this enhanced feature. So using this enhanced feature, you will be able to tap into the power of AI to help you come up with ideas for your topic. So for me, I have already written World War II, but when you click on enhance, so AI provides a better wording for your topics. Here, it provides a whole sentence to use to generate a topic. Let's see what it says here. So instead of World War II, it says analyze the complex causes and significant outcomes of World War II, evaluating its impact on global politics, society, and culture in the subsequent decades. So this is a better way to write your topic. And once you're okay with it, go ahead and click on Add to Workspace. And your lesson here, as you can see, is being generated in real time. So as you can see here, the lesson plan here is pretty detailed and structured with different sections. There is the objectives, the activities, and so on and so forth. So here you can click on edit to further edit any part of your lesson, and then you can also click on copy to copy and use it anywhere else you want. So pretty much the same thing you can do with other tools. Go through them, select the tool you want, come down here to the topic area and write your topic and click on enhance, then add to workspace to generate the content. So yes, and let's move on to the second feature in EdAid. It's called Assistant. So Assistant here features a collection of AI tools to help you with your teaching tasks. For instance, email outline helps you write professional emails. Class announcements helps you create announcements for your class. Student planner, and so on and so forth. There is also the feedback bot here. Click on feedback bot, and as you can see here, this one here is to help you create and generate feedback on a student's assignment. You type in the text here and click on which type of feedback you want. For instance, there is the typographic, semantic, syntactical, and custom feedback. Then click on add to space and your feedback will be generated. Of course, you always need to edit and customize your feedback. So the chat feature here is like Reina in Magic School. So you use it to get help with your lesson plans. But here in EdAid, this feature is only for pro users. Free users don't have access to it. And the last feature is Assessment Builder. So this builder here allows you to generate different types of question activities. There are multiple choice, short answer, matching, true or false, and so on and so forth. Simply choose a subject, grade, and then enter a topic and click on enhance if you want to have suggestions from AI. And when you're done, click on generate and the question-based activity will be generated. So that's pretty much the main features provided by EdAid. So the third lesson planner in our collection is called CurryPod, and it's a little bit different from Magic Tools and EdAid. To start using it, log into your account and then come over here and click on create lesson, and you have two options. You can either create a lesson with AI or you can create it from scratch by clicking on create blank lesson. So here we will click on create lesson with AI and see what it offers. So the first one here is titled build writing skills. When you click on it, you will access different activities to help you design teaching materials focused on writing. Let's choose a random one here. Let's click on this one here. So when you click on activity, you will be able to read the description about what the activity is all about. You'll see what grades it targets, the activities it has, and the duration. Then you can come down here, scroll down. You can either start now, click on start now to invite students to work on the activity live, or you can click on copy and edit to edit the activity. Here you can edit the activity to suit your own teaching needs. And once you're done, you can click on start now and you can copy this link here and share it with your students, and they will be able to join live. Once students join, you will see the number of students here, and then you can use the navigation menu here to go through the activity with them. There's also the Curryfy My Slides category. So here you can upload your slides and CurryPod turns them into interactive lessons. Pretty easy. Simply select the type of material you have and then the grade and add criteria if you have any, and then choose if you want to align your lesson to any of these standards. Then choose your language and create on Get Lessons, and you will get a presentation with interactive activities. Then the third feature here is generate a lesson. So this one here allows you to generate a lesson by simply entering the topic and again choosing the standards, the grade and language, and then you can add your criteria and get lesson, and your lesson will be instantly generated. Then we have the prepare for testing here. So here, if you need pre-made templates for creating tests and quizzes, you can use these ones here. They are pretty useful. And then we have the last one, is establish daily routines. This is where you will have access to different lesson plan templates covering different activities. For instance, if you want to create a teaching activity on social emotional learning, click on this category here and you will have a pre-made templates to use. You can edit any template the way you want before you use it in your lessons. For exit tickets activities, you can click here and you will have a number of sample activities to use, and the same thing for vocabulary and bell ringers. So the second important feature provided by CurryPod is called My Reports. So when you click on My Reports, you will access the different lessons you have shared with your students. When you click on any lesson, for instance, let me click on this lesson I shared before. When you click on it, you will be able to access a summary of the lesson. And then when you click on the tab called Students, you can select any student participating in the lesson, and you can get here a summary of their performance, what they have learned, the questions they have answered, and you can also click to generate custom feedback for them. Okay, so there is the inspiration tab here. This is a library of pre-made lessons and activities. They are arranged into different categories here. You can use this navigational menu to quickly find tools and activities to use in your classroom. All right, that's a quick overview of CurryPod. So the fourth and last AI lesson planner here is called Almanac. So when you log into Almanac, you can use the lesson planning tab here. Click on lesson planning and you will be able to create a new lesson from scratch. I already have 2 lessons here. Let's click on new lesson and then choose a course if you already created a course, or create a course, for instance, let's say history, and then okay, and then grade level, let's say grade 10. Click on add. Now a course is created. Let's create a lesson. Let's say World War II, and click on create a lesson. So next you need to, if you have any curriculum expectations, you can add them here. You can also go through the learning objectives that were generated for your lesson. If you want to edit them, click on the edit here, or you can regenerate them using AI. You can also add extra resources to your lesson. You can, for instance, add a link to a web page, or attach a file, or you can add a video, or you can use AI to add any resource you want. And once you're done, come here and click on create lesson plan. So here you have an initial design for your lesson plan. You can click on use this template, and as you can see, here is the final lesson plan. Here is a section on the learning goals. Here is a section on success criteria. On Minds On, you can go through each section and you can edit it by clicking on the edit button here, or you can click on suggested resources to let AI suggest extra resources to you. It's pretty helpful. And once you're done, click on share, and you can share your lesson in different formats, including PDF, Google Docs, and Word. Okay, so the second important feature in Almanac is the resources. This is where you will be able to generate different types of resources to add to your lesson. Simply go to My Resources and click on New Resource. And as you can see here, there are different AI tools to use to help you create resources for your lessons. These AI tools are organized into these categories. There is the lesson planning section, the worksheets, study aids, assessment, differentiation, class activities, games, curriculum design, and ESL, ELL. So for instance, let's click on lesson planning here. So if you want to generate a slide deck for your lesson, you can click on slide decks here, or you can use the flashcards tool here to create flashcards to help students review concepts and terms. You can also create study guides and so on and so forth. Simply go through the AI tools here and click on the one you like and type in your topic and follow the instruction to generate a teaching resources to use in your classroom. I hope you found this roundup of AI lesson planners helpful, and I'm looking forward to your feedback, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.